Hi, welcome to Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. I'm Nikki Kleckis, wife, mother, CEO, and entertaining expert. Join me on today's episode where we're going to be talking all about peaches. We're going to be making a grilled peach caprese salad. To get started with making our grilled peach caprese salad, we're going to take 3 peaches and slice them up to get them ready to grill. I love incorporating fruit in salads in the summer. I think it gives it such a great refreshing element, and when you grill the fruit, it really adds a really nice caramelized flavor to the salad as well. So I've sliced our peaches. We're gonna go right outside to grill these on the charcoal, and I've also grabbed some sliced baguettes that I'm gonna brush some olive oil and get them ready for our salad. So we're gonna take our peaches and just put them right down on our hot barbecue so we can get some nice grill marks on these. And grilling them will bring out such a delicious caramelized flavor that will add great elements to our salad. While we're letting our peaches grill, I'm gonna just brush a little olive oil on either side of our bread, and we're gonna grill that up as well. So we're just gonna grill the peaches a couple minutes on either side. We wanna get that nice char mark on there. So I'm gonna flip these over. Grill them on both sides. Our bread looks great. We want those little char marks. Flip that over. So our peaches look great. I'm gonna take these off the grill and we're gonna go inside to assemble our salad. We have all of our elements ready, and now it's my favorite part, assembling our salad. So I'm gonna use this kind of wood rustic look for my salad for today. I think it's gonna be a showstopper in the center of my table for dinner. So we're gonna use baby arugula. I'm gonna try to really focus on the presentation for this salad. So I'm gonna put a good amount of baby arugula down the center, kind of on a diagonal on my wood platter. And sometimes salads, I like to display them in a platter as opposed to a bowl, just so that everybody can see all the pretty elements, especially when there's lots of color involved. So we're gonna put those down. I'm gonna put our baby tomatoes. I got some really colorful ones today, so I'm gonna use those all down the center. This is gonna be so colorful and delicious. So we'll put those all down the center, and I'm gonna add our mozzarella cheese. Can't have caprese salad without mozzarella balls. Let's put those all over. Delicious. And then our showstopper, peaches. So I'm gonna lay our grilled peaches throughout our salad. Put those all down. Oh, they smell so good. It's such a different smell and texture of peaches when you grill them. It just gives it such a different flavor and really elevates your dish. So you're gonna really love this one. So we'll put those all down here. And again, when you're entertaining, this is such an easy salad to prepare ahead of time. You can prepare this, just put the dressing on right before you're about to serve it. So that's, you know, I always try to tell you some tips about entertaining and making sure you're ready for your guests. So now we have all of our major elements. I'm gonna put our toasted bread on the sides. So this is a great one if you're gonna serve this family style. You know, put your toasted points all over the side so people can kind of dig in. Put that there. Next, we're gonna sprinkle our sea salt all over the top for taste, and a little pepper. That looks great. I'm gonna dress it, and then we're gonna put our chopped basil on top. So I'm gonna use a little bit of our extra virgin olive oil. Oh, that looks great on top. And then we're gonna use balsamic reduction. which is delicious and adds even more color. Kind of drizzle that on top. Look at that. This is amazing. Looks so pretty. Your guests are gonna love this for any holiday or any event or any dinner that you're serving. So we're gonna take our basil, chopped basil on top. Look at that. And this is ready to be served. Our salad looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into this for dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.